Ever raided your piggy bank as a kid, only to find a pile of forgotten birthday money? Remember that triumphant feeling of unearthing hidden treasure? Well, guess what? Your crypto holdings on Gemini can feel a bit like that digital piggy bank. You put money in, it grows, hopefully, but how do you actually get it out when you need it? That's where today's video comes in. We're diving deep into the world of Gemini withdrawals, because let's face it, having easy access to your hard-earned cash is kind of a big deal. Understanding withdrawals, 030 to 130. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about the two main types of withdrawals you can make on Gemini. Fiat withdrawals, this is your standard cash money situation. Withdrawing USD directly from your Gemini account to your bank account. Cryptocurrency withdrawals, moving your crypto holdings from Gemini to an external wallet or exchange. Think of it like this, fiat withdrawals are like taking your piggy bank coins and turning them into spendable bills. Crypto withdrawals are like transferring your Pokemon cards, because, hey, gotta collect them all, to a friend to trade. Fiat withdrawals, bringing home the bacon, 1:30 to 3 o'clock. Alright, so you want that sweet USD in your hands. Here's what you gotta do. Log into your Gemini account, pretty standard, right? Navigate to the withdrawal section. This might differ slightly depending on the device you're using, but typically it'll be under the account or transfer section. Choose your weapon, pick USD as the currency you want to withdraw. Destination, bank account, select the bank account you want the funds deposited into. Make sure it's a verified account in your name for a smooth transaction. Amount away. Enter the amount of USD you want to withdraw. Double-check that number. Nobody likes a typo-induced financial fumble. Confirmation is key. Review all the details before hitting that glorious withdraw button. Fiat withdrawal methods, ACH or wire transfer, 3 to 4 o'clock. Now, there are two ways Gemini gets that USD back to you. ACH transfer, free, but slower. This is the free option, but it can take a few business days for the transfer to clear. Think of it like waiting for that birthday check to arrive in the mail. Wire transfer, faster, but fees applying. Need your money quicker? A wire transfer will get it to you within the same business day, but there will be a fee involved. Think of it like paying for express delivery on your piggy bank bounty. Cryptocurrency withdrawals, sending your digital squad packing, 4 to 5:30. So, you want to move your crypto holdings out of Gemini? Here's the plan. Log in and navigate. Just like with fiat withdrawals, you'll need to be logged in and find the withdrawal section. Crypto selection. This time, choose the specific cryptocurrency you want to withdraw, Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. Destination address. This is where things get crucial. You'll need to provide the destination address of the external wallet or exchange where you're sending your crypto. Think of it like writing the address on the envelope before you mail your Pokemon cards. Super important, one wrong digit in your crypto could be lost in the digital abyss. Amount and confirmation. Enter the amount of crypto you want to withdraw and double-check everything before confirming. Security measures. Keeping your crypto safe, 5:30 to 6:30. Remember, security is paramount in the crypto world. Here are some extra steps Gemini takes to keep your withdrawals safe. Two-factor authentication, 2FA. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a code from your phone in addition to your password. Like having a lock on your piggy bank and a secret handshake to access it. Withdrawal limits. Gemini might have daily or weekly withdrawal limits in place for security reasons. Check their website for current limits.